This is the sequence of drive shafts on a Bell 205 and their couplings in between, and the tail rotor hanger bearings as it goes towards the 42 degree drive gearbox and then up to the tail rotor gearbox. Again, those are all allowing a little bit of flex in the tail boom. Here's the 42 degree drive gearbox, intermediate gearbox on the drive shaft.
You ready, Levi?
And now we're looking at the tail rotor. And the tail rotor anti-torque pedals are pushed to the left and to the right for left and right yaw. You notice the blades change collectively with the pitch change mechanism that operates through the shaft, through the drive shaft. Here's the Bell 205 rotor head system. And you notice the cyclic is moving the swash plate all around as the cyclic stick is moved around in front of the pilots. Now you're going to shift to the collective, and you'll notice the collective pitch horn moves, or the collective input goes, and both the blades move collectively.
So what do you got here? That's your friction?
Yeah, this is just the friction, so you can increase your throttle, and then you set your friction so that your throttle won't move. And it'll stay kind of where you want it to go.
And what about the other controls on there? Can you walk through all the switches on there?
Yeah, so this is going to be, there's an idle detent here, so you can only rotate it so far back, and then so that you don't accidentally turn the engine off in the air. But to turn the engine off, you have to press the button and then rotate it past the detent. Landing lights. This is programmed for like cargo hook and stuff. This is our beep actuator, so when you need more oomph. And then your starter trigger is down here at the bottom. And this is your searchlight button, and this is just a nighttime light.
So here you go, there's the tail rotor controls. So anti-torque pedals. And then we got the cyclic. Now there's lots of switches on there, Levi. Are those guns or what are those?
Yeah, these are all, like this one's a long line release. These are all labeled. This is the long line close. So this switch actually has 4 switches. You can program it to go up, down, right, or left. This switch is also, you know what, I'm actually not positive on these.
What's the trigger? That must be machine guns, isn't it?
This one? Yeah, this one's machine guns. But we took the machine guns off for the winter time.
So what's it do now?
I don't know.
Isn't it
Oh, it's push to talk, yeah.
Yeah, push to talk on the radio.
Yeah.
And then, then we went through the collective. And there's the twist grip. And these are your radios. And this is your host, Levi.
We go cyclic left.
Oh, cyclic left. You can see those servos moving.
Cyclic right. And cyclic forward. Oh, that's all the way forward. This is, so we can get it going back. That's cyclic back.
There we go. So where are we looking at this helicopter? Just give you a heads up. So this is a that's where we were. The other name for that is the hellhole. It's where your cargo hook and whatnot's going to attach. So here we are in the Bell 206 and its controls. Here's the twist grip. So there's the increased throttle is that way. Decreased throttle is that way, and it doesn't go all the way to the stop until you push the idle release, and then now you can shut the engine down. So that's shut down. That would be idle. That would be full power. Starter. So when the pilot wants to start, they push that. Light control and beep control. You can talk a little bit. We'll talk about that later. There's your cyclic stick and your anti-torque pedals down here. Pulling the collective. And down. You can move it fairly quickly. And then can you move the cyclic stick left and right? And then cyclic fore and aft. So he's moving it fore and aft, but there's no inputs coming out. We'll talk about why.